Hi, I'm Amanda Williams with Merchant Solutions IQ. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 key points to save you, the business owner, time and money. There are many ways to save money that most business owners are not aware of. Key point number 1, either buy your equipment or get it for free. I see people every day that are trapped into a lease agreement, which is usually a non-cancelable lease, and they end up purchasing the machine over and over and over again. A better option is to either buy the machine or get it for free. Key point number 2, always batch out. Batching out is what you do at the end of the day to send all the transactions from that day to the bank so you can get paid. Key point number 3, always swipe the card versus keying in the transaction. The reason for this is because swipe cards are normally charged a lower discount rate, which saves you, the business owner, money. If you have a retail business and 95% of your transactions are card present, meaning swiped, then those transactions are treated as a qualified transaction, which is good. That means you pay less. However, if you don't, then your qualified transaction will become either mid-qual or non-qual, meaning you pay more. I'll discuss more about the qualified, mid-qual, and non-qual in the coming minutes. Key point number 4, know the difference between a qualified, mid-qualified, and non-qualified transaction. A qualified rate is a regular Visa, MasterCard, or check card that has been swiped. A mid-qualified rate are cards that have been manually entered, or there may be a Sky Miles card or business card or some kind of card that's going to give cash back or miles. A non-qual rate is either a purchasing card or a corporate card, or in some cases it's a card that has been manually entered with missing information. This is where most merchant service companies take advantage of the business owner. Why? Well, because they go in and they show you the lowest rate possible, which is always the qualified rate. In reality, a lot of the cards that you run are either going to be a mid-qual or a non-qual. So they go in, show you the low qualified rate, and then jack up the rate on the mid-qual and non-qual. So always watch out for your mid-qual and non-qual rate, because this is where most merchant service companies make all their money. Some business owners really don't know how to read their statement. So, in some cases, they might not know if they're getting charged a mid-qual or a non-qual rate. Key point number 5, educate yourself and your team about fraud. You gotta use your own judgment here. If you have a feeling the card is stolen, use precautions, because it may be. Always check for the signature on the back of the card, and check the ID. If possible, always get a signed receipt or signed invoices and supporting documents to show that that client really was there and it was their card. Most fraud is done on the internet. If you have an internet-based company, make sure to have the name of the company on the receipt that is emailed back to them, and set it up where they can see the name of your company on the credit card charge. Also, provide a shipping date so that the merchant doesn't get scared that you're fraudulent. Credit card companies don't want you to know about the information that I've discussed with you today, because that's how they make their money. At Merchant Solutions IQ, we have a different way to do business. Our goal is to help as many people as possible save as much as possible on their credit card processing by offering wholesale rates and free equipment. This is just some of the information that I share with my clients. If you'd like to have your statement evaluated, please fax it to me at 310-760-4141, and we'll do an apples-to-apples comparison for you. If I can save you money, great, and if not, then at least you know you're in good hands. And you've just learned how to save money on your current transactions that you're processing. Most business owners associate with other business owners, and my business is built on referrals, probably a lot like yours. So I ask that if you learned anything today that you think can save you some money, then please forward this email on to your colleagues, maybe your friends and family members, and hopefully I'll be able to help them and you. Again, my name is Amanda Williams with Merchant Solutions IQ, and I wish you very much success in your business. Thank you.